Hello everyone, welcome to a new video in the channel. This time we have the new flagship from Nvidia, the RTX 4090, but let me show you because you have to see it. And well, we are gonna be doing a lot of tests with this card, and the first of all is comparing it with the 3090 to see the generational improvement. So without anything else to say, let's go to the benchmarks. Here you can see a list of the components that were used. All of the tests were done using the same components, changing only the graphic cards. And starting with Blender, we can see a significant gain in performance with an increase of 114% in the monster scene, 71% in the junction scene, and 104% in the classroom scene. And with this, the 4090 basically doubles the performance of the 3090. Moving to V-Ray, we continue to see similar results as the 4090 in the CUDA test increased by 108% and in the RTX test increased by 100%, again doubling the performance compared with the 3090. Moving to some games, we start with Civilization, where we can see that the frame time is reduced by 47%, so the 4090 is taking only like half of the time that it takes the 3090 to generate each frame. In Cyberpunk at 4K ultra quality with ray tracing and DLSS in the quality option, we have an improvement of 91%, and also we avoid the drop in the 1% low that we had with the 3090. Again in 4K Ultra, but now with ray tracing and DLSS disabled, the gain is now 71%. Now going to 1080p medium quality without ray tracing nor DLSS, we can see an increase of 30% in average frames per second, and it also improves a lot in the 1% low. In Metro Exodus at 4K ultra quality with ray tracing and DLSS in the quality option, we have an increase of 93% in the average frames per second and 73% in the 1% low. Again in 4K ultra quality, but now deactivating both ray tracing and DLSS, we have similar results with gains of 91% in average frames per second and 72% in the 1% low. On the other hand, in 1080p, the average frames per second gain is only about 7%, although the 1% low improves by 48%. In Horizon Zero Dawn at 4K Ultimate Quality, we have gains of 67%. But now in 1080p we have a strange situation, and this is because the performance of the 4090 is almost 7% below the 3090. So we will be analyzing this situation in detail later in another video using the 4090 with more CPUs. In Shadow of the Tomb Raider at 4K ultra quality with ray tracing and DLSS in the quality option, we have a 97% performance increase for the 4090. Also in 4K ultra quality, now without ray tracing nor DLSS, the gain is now 94%. While in 1080p medium quality without ray tracing nor DLSS, the gain is just under 14%. In Rainbow Six Siege at 4K Ultra Quality with DLSS in the quality option, we can see an improvement of 73% in both average frames per second and the 1% low. Now with DLSS disabled, the gain is over 75%. But now going to 1080p medium quality without DLSS, the gain is just about 27%. Well, as we could see, the 4090 shows quite a big jump in performance compared with its predecessor, the 3090, and it's basically doubling the performance in most of the tests. Just in 1080p, when we are more limited by the CPU, this is not the case. And also we have some small issues like in Horizon, so we are gonna be doing more tests in this card, and we are also gonna be using some other CPUs to compare and see if the behavior is different. And also we're gonna be doing some more tests with like Premiere Pro to see the dual encoders of this new generation and seeing if they actually making the time to render faster and by how much. So if you are interested in this kind of test, subscribe so you don't miss it, and we'll see you in the next video.